Hello all, I'm Nilesh Mirajkar and I'm alumni of AISSMS College of Pharmacy, first batch, and I passed out in the year 2000. Currently I'm working as a project manager in research and development in Serum Institute of India, and the way the infrastructure was way back from 1996 to 2000 during my curriculum, this has changed dramatically. The infrastructure is really great, and there is a lot of interaction and innovative things that college is bringing into, like industry collaboration, partnership. A lot of research activities are going on, and that is really nice. And other parts are like the teachers and the campus, the facilities that are being provided to the students. You have small R&D labs and tablet machines and everything over here, which makes really nice to see that young pharmacists are getting exposed to all the industry equipments and can have a hands-on experience, and they can work on various industry projects as well. Thank you.